Hi everyone, that's Mr. Troll Commander in the infirmary. It's an eagle eyes from the 80s with a broken foot, and we're gonna fix it. Vintage Action Man is very similar to Spanish Caper Man, but both have different joints. You can try these ideas to repair other figures. Let's go. First I cut the original plastic pivot. Then I drill a well-centered hole, and I patch the foot to check. Well, looks good. Okay, how we can fix this and retain the articulations? Option 1, a plastic pin. You can use any kind of plastic. Cut out a little piece. If necessary, scrape or sand. Check the fit and pass the pin from side to side. Now one can do the trick. Option 2, metal rivets. We need 2. Choose the size, remove the part, and simply insert one on each side. And done! Looks mechanical, but it's easy to cut rivets. Just wear words and it's ready for sabotage. Okay, well that's all. Share if you like it. See you around.